Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In today's video is for those of us who are career paths in cyber security. So this Google Drive link will be shared in the description section where you get full access to this complete cyber security course for free. When you click on the link, it will take you to the Google Drive where you are going to see the 13 courses there. Okay, so each of them contains the course material like the word and also the videos. So the first one, we have the introduction. When you click on the introduction, you are going to get access to the video, the word, where you are going to see the welcome and also the introduction. Okay. So you see the target audience. You see the security quick win. Okay. And now we have the know yourself. So when you click on the know yourself too, you are going to get the practical video, the theory and also the practical video. You are going to see the goals and learning. You are going to see the security, vulnerability, threat, and also advertiseries. Okay, so this course material, when you get access to them, you can equally download them to your device, which you don't necessarily need to be going to online, or you need to go to the Google Drive to get access to them. When you get them, or when you get access to this material, you can just download them onto your devices. Okay, so we have the introduction, know yourself, know your enemy, encryption, crash course, setting up testing. We have the reducing privilege, social engineering, security domain, security. Okay, so we have the security through isolation, we have the wrap up, and we have the bonus selection. So let's click on the bonus selection and let's see what is there. Okay. Okay, so this is the link. It's taking some time to open. Okay, but as you can see, there is links inside the file. So when it opens, okay, let me try and download it and see. Okay. Okay, so this is the bonus section. So you see there are limited number of coupons left. So when you click on each link, you might get a free coupon to access the course for free. Sometimes you pay, sometimes too it takes you get 80% discount. Okay, now let's check the wrap up. Okay, so the wrap up also has the congratulations, the certificate completion. We have the link to the complete cyber course. Let's download this one and see what is there. Okay, so as you can see, when you use the link, you are going to get 87 discount, 87% discount from this course. So previously it was 74.99, but now it's 9.99, which it has reduced, and you can take this course. So the course is the complete cybersecurity course, network security, and so far over 160,000 students have enrolled in this particular course. It's a good course. Let's see another one. Okay, so let's see the free coupon on. Let's see whether it has not expired. Okay, I think that was the first one we opened. Let's try the second one and see. Okay, so the first one here is the coupon code, and the second one to the coupon code is the same thing. So now when you click on the buy, you log in. When you log in, you see the place you put the coupon. You just copy this coupon and put it there. Okay, so almost all the coupon code is the same. Okay, I hope you are enjoying the video. I'll bring you more facts, a more interesting video in my subsequent ones. Hope this video is helpful. See you on the next videos. Thank you. Peace.